Hello. Welcome to BlockDraw. This is a game where you will be asked to create some object, like a house, a car, etc. But you have to create these only using the three basic shapes, that is rectangle, triangle, and round. You can position it to form a structure. You can also alter the parameters of these shapes to better fit in the object, and you can get creative along the way and learn so much about shapes. It's gonna be fun. Click next to continue. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the interface. Let's begin with the canvas. The big plain area on the view is called canvas, where you can create the set object using the given three shapes. Once done, just hit Evaluate button on the side pane. But what is side pane? Well, just click next to find out. This is side pane. From here, you can click on any object to add it on the canvas. Once added, you can adjust various parameters of the selected object, like base and altitude for a triangle, height and breadth of a rectangle, etc. You also have a few other options there, like a button to delete a selected shape, or to make a quick copy of the selected shape, and more. Now, let's have a quick look at the top of the UI, where the status bar is. The status bar will always show two things, that is, the current object to create, and total number of shapes currently added on the canvas, on which you can even tap to view in detail which shapes are exactly added if your object on canvas has gotten complex. Awesome. You are now aware about the interface of BlockDraw. Now let me say something about block drawing. Haha. It's just a made-up term that I came up to call these objects created on canvas. Okay, back on the track. Once you click on the Evaluate button, your block drawing is analyzed by a custom core ML model, which you can think of a computer judging your created object. Then, based on what it knows, it will output whether your creation is valid or not. Once you're ready, just click Get Started. Great! You are now all set to begin. Let's start by making a house. Use rectangle, triangle, and round. Adjust the parameters and give it your touch. All the best! Great! You did that very nicely. Here is some info about your created object. Uh-oh. Seems like we couldn't recognize this as the set object. Would you like to try once more? Great! You did that very nicely. Here is some info about your created object. Great! You did that very nicely. Here is some info about your created object. Great! You did that very nicely. Here is some info about your created object.